Legos. Okay, step 1. Choose any color of Legos or multiple colors to make your gun. Then, with the color or colors that you chose, get as many pieces as needed to add up to a 6x16. That will be your base. So put that down like that. And then step 2. Get pieces like these that have dots on the back and are blank on the front, and get one side of your 6x16, and you'll see that there's 2 lines in the middle, and pick one of those lines and put what these are going to be the chambers on that line. Do it until that line is filled up on that side, and then get the other side and connect those 2 sides. Do it until the other side line is covered up. Okay, now put that down. Step 3. Get a bunch of thick pieces like these of your color and put them all around the chambers until you have covered all of the base, but don't do any of it over the chambers. And when you are done, it should look like this. Okay, step 4. Get a lot of thin pieces of your color like these and put them over all of the thick pieces so that you won't see any of the thick pieces. When you're done with that, I'll tell you what to do. So when you're done with that, it should look like this. Now get some more thin pieces of your color and put them over all of the last thin pieces until you've covered all of the last thin pieces. When you're done with that, all of the thick pieces will be covered with 2 layers of thin pieces, and it will look like this. Okay. Step 5. Get some more pieces, as many as needed of your color, to add up to another 6x16 and put it over all of your gun, including the chambers. When you're done with that, it should look like this, and it should have just the one little hole in the middle that you can see through. Okay, so put that down. Step 6. Get some 2x4s of your color and put them at the top corners of one side of your gun, like this. Step 7. Get a rubber band and put the top part of the rubber band over and around the 2x4s, and put the other side of the rubber band around the opening of the other side of the gun. So close the opening like that. Okay, step 8. Get a piece that has 12 little dots on the top, and it doesn't have to have holes through it, and put it in there. Step 9. How to shoot. Now that you've put the brick in, pull the rubber band back on the side that is closed with the rubber band. The brick should come back too, and after pulling the brick back for a bit, pull the end of the brick down and let the end of the rubber band on the end of the brick. Then when you're ready, aim and shoot, just like this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.